It's been recently reported that Tesla might give up on the 4680 battery cell. I predicted this a while ago. I predicted that low yield would be one of the reasons for ongoing low production rates for Cybertruck. Nevertheless, Tesla needs a new battery technology. Their current battery packs require billions of individual battery cells to support Tesla's production numbers. It's been a long road. Like a lot of Tesla products and things that never turned into products, the 4680 battery cell was announced as long as 4 years ago, over 4 years ago now. News that went mostly unnoticed 6 months ago is that the 4680 battery cell was being blamed for poor charging performance in Cybertruck. Not only are the yields low, they have heat problems in the ones they can manufacture. Now it may be that the 4680 program will be abandoned. This is a key element of the unraveling of the Tesla is special meme. Tesla is special because they went pure electric and didn't end up subscale and out of money like almost every other attempt. Rivian got $5 billion saving VW's software situation, and that might put them over the hump. But until that is proven, Tesla remains unique among US EV startups. Tesla, however, isn't special because of FSD. Tesla isn't going to stay special with an out-of-date battery technology. Tesla didn't change the definition of a pickup truck. Tesla Semi is impossible to scale using Tesla's current battery cells. And a multi-year journey to robotaxis is a transparent and cynical attempt to keep the meme alive. Here's the kicker, though. What a retreat from 4680 battery cells means is that Tesla isn't going to be vertically integrated in battery cell production the way that BYD and SAIC are. Among investors who are interested in how long Tesla's insane valuation can be maintained, this should be the big story. But I would not be surprised if Elon sneaks in some kind of non-announcement announcement about solid-state batteries or some other vaporware in upcoming, presently delayed announcements.